It's very alarming. From today until yesterday, nakita natin the extent, the scope of the intelligence gathering operations being done by what appears to be Chinese state-sponsored activities. Kasi nga, sabi ko naman sa inyo, we go with the evidence has brought us, and the evidence has brought us that there is culpability on the part of Chinese state agencies here. So tapos meron pa ngayong revelation sa Senator Tolentino. So it is very alarming, and we are very worried about the implications to Philippine national security.
Imbestigahan na rin ng mga otoridad ang operasyon ng local proxies o third-party individuals ng mga Pilipinong nagkakalat ng mga pahayag na lumalabas sa Beijing, China. Sa tala ng National Security Council, hindi higit sa 100 lokal o local proxies ang kanilang natukoy, kung saan nasa 10 sa mga ito ay mga kilalang social media influencers.